Hi guys, welcome to another day of Tickly Things. Now you know what? I was by the beach just strolling around and I found the guys from the Public Works Department at Grand Cayman. So I am at Northside Beach and I see them doing some training of the shoreline. And I asked for permission to film the guys, and happily they granted me. So I'm gonna show you how it's done, show you a few of the processes. So check it out, and as usual, you know what to do. Subscribe, share and like the video. So what is being done here, the guys just leveling off the shoreline. Well, actually it was eroded by the waves coming up to the shore and dispersing the soil from the shoreline. So he's just driving around and smoothing it off. So this is called a barber surf rake, and what we see here, these are some metals. From afar, it looks to me like it was some plastic, but it's really and truly the metals. Here it is. So it rotates, I think we call it backwards, while the tractor goes forward, and it takes up all the debris and put it in the tank here. Right in there. And then they dump it over here. So it's attached to the, I call this a tractor, because everything to me is a tractor once it does some form of soil or landscaping work. Tractor. So it attached to the tractor through some hydraulic stuffs here. And this looks like an oil filter. Let me just go around a little. So this here, where you see, this here you see PWD. It stands for Public Works Department, and this number is 919. So I guess it's the number of vehicles that is attached to their thing, because you know they have to do them auditing already to know how much vehicles they have in their fleet. And as I see some things here, caution, keep hands off machinery. especially when it's running. I mean, I think it's when it's running because my hand is on it and it's not giving me any issues. So, yep. Right. So it's a different, oh, it has the same number here, PWD 919, and this is a John Deere tractor. The driver sits here and he controls it from this side. As you see some rust on the vehicle, it's because it is actually because it's by the sea, because you know salt water rust metal, especially iron. Beautiful, isn't it? So here's the truck coming again. Let me give him some way. To be honest, the last time he came, my battery ran out on me. Oh boy, I can't make it happen this time. So here he comes. Skillful work there being done. There it is. All right, so from the debris taken from the seaside here, they take it from this would be the next. They take from here and take it over to that side. So they are taking it up now. What do you think this truck? So you'll see it over that side when they're finished. So far this is what it looks like. There it is. There it is. That is the finished product right here. So guys, we have come to the end of another episode of Tekle Things. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was a painstaking effort for the guys to get a lot of the sand, the stones, the sticks and the other debris off the shoreline, and it's done, and to me it's a very impressive work. Let me know what you think about it, okay? As usual, this is Joe Crick and I'm saying I am